What is going on, YouTube? We got both the Outcast XLs out here. We got the ramp jacked up a little higher. We're gonna see what happens. It's cold, it's wet. Oh, let's see how they do. Out with a bang. We're gonna see how far we can send these things, guys. And welcome 2023 in with some good old bashing. Here we go. All right, y'all, I'm gonna record a little bit here. Make sure I ain't pointing my damn hat at the sky again like I did the other day. Oh, it's wet, wet, wet. Oh, my Lord. All right, let's see if we can't hit this jump here. Oh, nose go. Yep. Yeah. Nah. Oh, that hurt. All right. All right, now let's whoop. All right. Almost 800 and some. Will you guys scoot over that way so I don't hit you? Thanks, boys. Yes. Ooh, that was big. Oh no. Oh, you see that? Check this out, buddy. Oh yeah. Let's try something crazy here. Oh, damn it, broke it. Oh, damn it, broke it. Ah, every time, damn it, Kenny. Why you do this? That would have been sweet though. That one bit the dust. Oh, that was brutal. What did we break? Damn, that was brutal. I think it just popped the hinge pin out. It did, for real. It bent the hinge pin. So, ain't really broke, y'all, but it's going to end my day with this one. Let's go get out the other one, see how it fares. I can tell y'all this. I'm having an absolute blast out here, and it's cold as shit. And the run up to this ramp, look at this muddy old mess out here, but boy, I'm having a blast. We're gonna shoot this one. All right, y'all, this one's my Max 6 1650 combo and my oil M2 Kraton XL. Let's see how this one holds up. Nose bombed her off the rip. I'm also testing out this CNHL LiPo, guys. Not the ones I just got, but the one that he sent me a while back to do a review on. And oh, why didn't I hit this? It's not coming. Oh, why didn't I hit? Oh, whatsoever. There, it had a little bit. I must be hitting it too hard. I hit myself. All right, baby, let's go. Let's see what you got, little boy. No air control. Oh, I got a tire broke or something. Oh. Oh. Lost power in midair. Destroyed the body. Oh. Let's see how tough that M2C and Scorch Titanium. I had no air control, no control. Why does it keep doing that shit? Oh my God, it ripped the wire out of it. Wow, y'all, how violent was that? And something else is locked up too. What? Oh my God, my servo's locked up. What the hell just happened there? Oh man, we just messed all kind of shit up, y'all. What the world? Oh my God. Hell no, my servo. Well, y'all, I jammed my servo tighter than a nun's cunt. It won't move. I've never seen that happen. And it ripped the freaking wire right out of the ESC. So that's going to do it for that one. Hey y'all, I want to tell each and every one of you, thank you for the 800 subscribers. I appreciate y'all. You have no idea how much I greatly appreciate it. We're on our way to 1,500 so we can get that giveaway done. But there's that LiPo too, guys, CNHL. Yeah, I can't believe my servo locked up like that. Huh. That's crazy. My steering is locked tight. What the hell? Yeah, all right, y'all.